Hey y'all, it's boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Coffee Machine. Today we're doing Cup of Boiling. I don't know how this is going to be turned into a drink except for maybe water just looks bubbly. That is not bubbly. That is called spinning. Oh, it's scorching like pure heat exploding on my tongue the second I take a sip. Feels like my whole mouth is burning, spreading heat everywhere. The heat is crawling down my throat, making my chest feel like it's on fire. The heat won't let up, making me feel like I'm burning alive. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. I scorched myself quite a few times, especially soup. Oh, that is, yeah, it's quite the animation. Yeah, and just like the past 2 episodes, it does nothing. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for next video. Bye-bye.